So today I'm checking out some of the most amazing rooftop views here in London. And the best part is they're all completely free, no advance booking required. So let's go check it out. So first up would be the garden at 120, which is located at 120 Fenchurch Street. So I've just got off at Monument Station. It's about a 5-minute walk, so I think I'm almost quite close to it. I can try and find the location. So I've never been to any of these rooftops, so proper tourist adventure today. I think we're almost there. So let's try and find the entrance. Wow, what a view. I believe that's the line and the entrance. Wow, it's quite a queue to get in, but I'm sure it's going to be absolutely worth it. So just off the elevator, and wow, what a spectacular view. I mean, this place is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just sharing these first impressions with you. That is the Walkie Talkie building, the Shard over there. You got Tower Bridge just over there, Canary Wharf down there. So this is located on the 15th floor of the building. So it opened in 2019, so it is relatively new, but it does capture some of the most iconic buildings here in London. So if you are looking to come to London and want to experience something different, this is it. So I actually only got to find out about this place just a couple of days ago. So one of my colleagues mentioned that, hey, if you're going to be doing a vlog, why not do something that's a bit of a different experience to those, especially when they come to London for the very first time. You're usually seeing the traditional iconic buildings. You're going to Westminster, you're going to see the London Eye, etc. But why not get a different view, different feel, different experience of it all, especially from something that gives you a 360 view pretty much of London. I think what this place provides is a bit of peace and serenity as well, especially when it's nestled in between some of the most iconic tall buildings in London. But once you're here in the garden, it does give you that sense of, if you want to relax and you want to enjoy a bit of family time, I think this is a great spot, a wonderful spot to be present. I mean, it doesn't have a cafe or a bar here on the floor itself, but just one floor down, which you can take the stairs from here, there is a restaurant. So if you want to eat something, you can, but also you can also bring your own food up here as well. So as I say, it's a great spot if you want to have a bit of a picnic and get that view, that peace that you want. Highly recommended. I wasn't expecting it to be this great, and especially on a beautiful day like this when it's so sunny, warm, and you get the greenery around you. Hey, it's an absolute win. So what did you guys think of that? Oh my god, that was a wonderful experience. I loved it because it was just such a peaceful experience to be on that rooftop. The views were sensational. So off to one new change, which is just off St. Paul's Cathedral. So I'll show you exactly where that is once I get there. So it should be about a 10-15 minute trip from here. So looking forward to that. But make sure you leave your comments in the comment section below about what you think of the garden at 120. So I'm just underneath the Walkie Talkie building. Why is this famous? Well, this one has the Sky Garden, which is also a free rooftop experience. However, because it's so popular, you have to book 3 weeks in advance. So this is the one that you actually require a booking. So when I looked at the dates, it was 21st, so it's literally 3 weeks away. So I thought, okay, rather than visiting this one, let me go to the ones where you don't need a booking. I am so used to taking the London Underground that this is the first time I'm actually walking through London to get from one place to another. So just behind me, I've just passed the Bank of England, really iconic site. Obviously manages this nation's money. So just heading over to just close to St. Paul's for the next stop, and probably get a bite to eat because I am kind of hungry. So I made it to my next stop at One New Change, which is a shopping mall, and this is the Rooftop Terrace, and you can see right behind me over my shoulder is a St. Paul's Cathedral. It's a beautiful sight. I mean, there's music playing up here, there's a bar just over there. I mean, the shopping mall has a lot of restaurants, but just to show you some of the landmarks you can see. So there's St. Paul's Cathedral. You can see just over there the London Eye. And then you get the view of the Shard as well. So I was pretty much earlier on over there in between that building there for the first stop. I mean, it's really nice. And to have this on top of a shopping mall. So how would you rate this one compared to Garden at 120? So do leave it in the comment section below. Want to hear your thoughts, and make sure you do subscribe. But our next stop after this one will be just over there, which you can see is the Tate Modern. So I want to see what sort of view that gives and the angle that gives, because I'm sure it will give a different perspective to where we are right now. I mean, I didn't actually plan this weekend, to be fair with you. A simple idea just helps me explore parts of London that I've never seen before, and through a unique lens, especially for my own experience, you know. I don't usually do these things, but highly rewarding, I must say. So just making my way to the Tate Modern now. As you can see, the St. Paul's Cathedral just behind me now, and the Tate Modern just over there. So it'll be a different rooftop experience from the Tate Modern compared to the one we've just been to. So let's see. I mean, it's a really nice walk. I mean, just the bridge there takes us over. I mean, I couldn't have planned this any better, because all of this, to be fair with you, was not planned at all, from which one to which one. But the fact that I was able to walk here all the way without having to take the underground shows that actually London may be a very small place indeed. So I've reached my final stop here at the Tate Modern. So let's go inside. Seems to be a long queue. So let's go inside and try and find the rooftop terrace. So inside the Tate Modern, on the 10th floor in the Blavatnik Building, is the 360 or somewhat view of London. Now, unfortunately, the balcony itself is closed, so we won't get the view that we wanted, but it still does give a good landscape view of London and some of the skyscrapers that we've been seeing today. It does have a cafe here, a small, albeit small cafe. So as you can see, it provides a great landscape view. It's just a shame the balcony is closed. I don't feel too deflated, to be fair, because it's been a wonderful, wonderful trip today. And that's the walk across the Millennium Bridge that we did. So guys, that's my 3 experiences done. So if you are coming to London for the very first time and want to experience something different, so why not try out these 3 rooftop experiences? I'm sure you have your favorite, so do put it in the comment section below. I would love to get your feedback on this. As I say, it's all completely free. You don't have to pay anything for these visits. You just literally pop in, and no advance booking required as well. I've had an absolute blast, and I want to be able to experience something like this more and more often, because this is a first time experience for me as well. So do leave your comments and your feedback in the comment section below. And I'll see you all on my next video.
Country road. Thank you, what a fabulous audience you are here.